All right, let's look at a couple of examples where we're solving tangent equations. And on these problems, they're really not any different than what we've done before. It's just one thing I wanted to mention is once you get a solution, you can just add pi in onto it because the period of tangent is just pi. So for tangent, instead of adding 2 pi in, you can just add pi in. So let's do this first example. Find all solutions to the equation tan x equals root 3 over 3. I think we've already done that. Root 3 over 3, that's going to be my reference angle is going to be pi over 6. And we have to look where is tangent positive, quadrants 1 and 3. So all my solutions would be pi over 6 plus pi n. That takes care of all of them. Now, how does that work? Well, this first one is pi over 6. And if I drew this same reference angle into the third quadrant, it would give us 7 pi over 6. And that's going exactly halfway around, and then over here is going halfway around again. So because it's really because tangent has the same sign in opposite quadrants that lets us do this. So pi over 6 plus pi n gets us the full set of answers. All right, let's look at this next one. Solve this equation and list all the solutions that lie on 0 to 2 pi. All right, so first up, let's rewrite this as tan theta is 1. And what's that get us for solutions? It gets us theta is pi over 4 plus pi n. So let's see. That's all of our solutions. But let's see, theta, we need to replace the theta back with 6x. We get 6x equals pi over 4 plus pi n. And if you divide all this by 6, for some reason I wrote a pi there instead of a 4. Let me fix that. So divide everything by 6, you get x is equal to pi over 24 plus pi over 6 times n. So that's my general solution. But we want to list all the ones that lie between 0 and 2 pi. So that's going to be pi over 24. And again, I'm going to grab my calculator. I'm going to put in 1 over 24. Then I'm going to start adding 1/6 to it. Convert to fraction. So my next one is 5 pi over 24. Add it again, I get 3 pi over 8. 13 pi over 24. 17 pi over 24. This is going to have a lot of solutions. 7 pi over 8. Let's see. 25 pi over 24. 29 pi over 24. 11 pi over 8. 37 pi over 24. 41 pi over 24. 15 pi over 8. And the next one on my calculator in the list is 49 over 24, which is bigger than 2. So that's all of our solutions there. How many is that? It should be 12. Yes, 12 solutions. So I think the most time-consuming part of this was just writing all the solutions down. Let's look at it on Desmos just for fun. So we got tan 6x equals 1. So what am I going to put in here? I'm going to put in tan 6x. Y equals tan 6x. So we get that. And again, we're restricting between 0 and 2 pi. And if I put in y equals 1, it gives us that. And so, whoops. So for solutions, it's giving us all of these places where those two graphs cross. So yeah, we get pi over 24, 5 pi over 24, 3 pi over 8, and so on. So anyway, that's doing a couple of tangent problems. The only real difference is is this here, the pi over n instead of 2 pi over n. All right, that's it.